What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be unboxing another 6th Sense Super 6. I finally decided to subscribe to it instead of just ordering it when I felt like it. Let's see what's in the box. I'm hoping that I didn't order the same one I already had. I don't know if they take that into account or not, but if not, if so, it's alright. Then I'll just have two of the same and start over again next month. No, already something different. One of the 6th Sense head pieces is in the bottom of the box. Don't know if I'll use it. I don't really use it, but I'll try it. As always, it comes in a bag. Let's see what we got in this month's box. Alright. Got a Cloud 9 C20 deep diving crankbait, dive 16 to 22 foot. Quite a big bait. 16 to 22 foot. I'm trying to think of where I will fish it. But hey, it's a good looking lure and it's in lavender citrus. Again, that's C20 Cloud 9, dive 16 to 22 foot. I don't even know if I have a crankbait that big, but another good looking shad pattern bait. I'm just gonna dump all these out. Ooh, I see some good ones. Then we got a Crush 50X and boiled crawfish. This is their square bill, dives 2 to 5 feet in the boiled crawfish color. Good looking bait. Definitely be using that. It's more orangish than reddish, but it will definitely be getting used. The Crush 50X's are great baits. Definitely get use out of that. Then we got a hybrid jig. 6th Sense Divine hybrid jig and jungle crawl. Definitely be using that. I love crawl colored jigs. More so than I like black and blue. A lot of people prefer black and blue. I like the crawl colors. More natural around here. Definitely be using that hybrid jig. Then we got a Quake Thud 70 millimeter, 1/2 ounce bait and brown eye crawl. Another good looking lipless here. Definitely going to be using that. I love throwing lipless this time of year. Then we got a Cloud 9 C6, which is a 4 to 8 foot diver, and bluegill spawn. Hell yeah. Bluegill spawn is one of their best looking colors, in my opinion. Let's take it out of the box. Bluegill spawn. Really a good looking color. It says 4 to 8 foot. It looks like it would dive deeper than that, but definitely be using that. As always, not disappointed in the least with anything I got in this box. If you haven't tried the Super 6 box, I would recommend it. Definitely the best hard baits out there. And their jigs are phenomenal, but their hard baits quality is unmatched in the business, in my opinion. Anyway, I should have a mystery tackle box here within a couple days. I'll do that one. And I'm going to be getting the mystery tackle box and the 6th Sense box now. I'm not going to be getting LTB anymore for a little while. Anyway, if you haven't tried the Super 6 box, try it.